While the time between the wireless MM712 and the wired one was long, Cooler Master has redeemed themselves by delivering successfully on the MM712 Wired. Physically, we still have the same solid body that is generally well constructed. The removal of the wireless components also means the MM712 Wired is even lighter at under 50 grams. However, Cooler Master has made some physical improvements too. This includes better sides on the primary buttons so it does not catch on your fingers, flatter and smoother side buttons, and more contoured skates for an even smoother glide. Internally, the primary optical switches hold up well and provide a nice click in feel and sound. Nearby, we have a top-tier Pixart PAW3395 sensor. The sensor is now aligned with the mouse's center of mass, which was a requested change from reviewers and users alike. When it comes to performance, the MM712 Wired is simply lovely. Whether you like its shape, size, or weight will come down to your preference. However, the sensor underneath is more than capable. Its tracking is excellent, with no abnormalities in either movement or clicking. Better yet, Cooler Master has resolved any slam clicking issues, which is great to see. The Master++ utility works well, even if their interface scaling is an ongoing pain point. With all of the enhancements they have added, I think both models are attractive and will come down to users wanting a wired or wireless experience. Furthermore, its MSRP of $50 is reasonable for an ultralight mouse. However, one major drawback is availability. The MM712 Wired is currently planned for sale in Europe only, which will be a problem for many of our readers. In the end, the Cooler Master MM712 Wired is chock full of improvements, and my only hope is that it will soon be released for my fellow North American friends to enjoy. I'd love to hear what you think of this wired mouse in the comments down below.